Hi everyone, Amanda here from amandacrochets.com. I'm back for another yarn haul video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all the yarn that I got from JoannFabrics.com. I picked up a lot of Caron Simply Soft yarn, as you can see here, because I would like to make a couple of blankets using this yarn. And I have a few projects in mind, and I will go ahead and link all the projects that I am considering making with this yarn. So let me get started and show you what yarn I picked up in all the colors, and I will also tell you the details of the yarn as far as how much yardage and whatnot. So let's begin. So first thing I want to say before I get started is I really liked how Joann Fabrics mailed out their yarn. I really like that they put it in that plastic shipping bag, because when I received the box actually had some kind of spill all over it. I think when it was in transport throughout the different trucks and whatnot, it actually had detergent spilled all over the box. So when I opened up the box, obviously the box smelled like detergent, but thankfully because of that plastic bag that had all the yarn in it, I did not get any detergent on my yarn. However, the yarn still smells like detergent, which is kind of a pleasant smell, so I guess I'm not too worried. I'm just happy that none of the yarn got damaged. So anyway, so this first one is, again, Caron Simply Soft, and this is a very pretty soft green color. So let me see right here. So a soft green color. And then if you look at the yarn label, it's a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. For the knitters, they recommend a US 8 or 5 millimeter knitting needle. And the same thing for a crocheter, a US H8 or 5 millimeter crochet hook. This yarn is machine washable and dryable, which I love. That's one of the reasons why I love this yarn, because I feel like you could make a variety of different projects for yourself or for somebody in your life, or just give it to charity, and you don't have to worry about doing all that hand washing and other stuff like some yarns do. You can just throw this in the wash and dryer and it will come out even softer. This is 100% acrylic, and it is 6 ounces or 170 grams, and it's about 315 yards or 288 meters. Another thing about this yarn is that there is no dye lot, so you can buy you can buy the same color and you don't have to worry about matching up the dye lots like you do with some yarns. So that's always nice. I know the Red Heart Super Saver and the Red Heart with Love is also like that. So if you can get a yarn like that, it kind of takes the guessing work out of it a little bit. So again, this is a soft green color, and I really like it. It's like a very minty color, and I like the shine to this yarn a lot. I think it's really pretty. So that's that color. I picked up one skein of this because I want to make the granny stripe baby boy blanket that I made for my nephew last year. I just want to make it in a different color, so I plan on using the same pattern in the same colors of white and gray, but just switching out that light blue color and making the blanket in this pretty soft green or mint color. However, I also picked up this color, which is the same color I used in my baby boy blanket, and this is the soft blue color. So I do want to make another original colored blanket like that, because I really enjoyed making that blanket a lot. So this is the soft blue color, and again, it has that nice sheen to it. I know a lot of people complain about this yarn with it splitting. However, I've never really had a problem with that. I tend to crochet pretty fast, so maybe every once in a while my hook would slip out of the yarn, but it doesn't really split for me like it might do for others, but I wouldn't let that discourage you from using this yarn. Also, another thing about this yarn is you get a pattern on the label, and it's a free pattern, and it's on the opposite side of the label, and this one just happens to have this blanket on there. Same specs as last time with the number 4 worsted weight yarn, the same amount of ounces and yards and all of that for this one. Next I picked up 3 skeins of this gray, again to make that blanket that I mentioned, and I picked up this color, which is the gray heather color. Now this is slightly different from the solid skeins. This is 5 ounces or 141 grams, and it's about 250 yards or 228 meters. So it's a slightly smaller than the original ones I just showed you, but that's okay. And this one is really pretty, and I really like how it is shiny like that, and I like the gradient of it a little bit, and I just thought it was a really pretty gray. So that's that one. Next color I picked up is this white color, and I bought 5 skeins of this one to make various blankets. Again, I plan on making 2 of those granny stripe baby boy blankets, but I also wanted to check out this one pattern by Daisy Farm Crafts, and I don't remember the name of it offhand, but I will go ahead and link it below. But it's a really pretty striped blanket, and I'll show you the other colors in a moment about which ones are also involved in that blanket. But it's a really pretty blanket, and I fell in love with it, and I knew that when I was buying this Caron Simply Soft yarn that I was definitely going to purchase all the yarn to make that blanket as well. So this one is just white, and again all the same, 100% acrylic, machine washable, and this one is 6 ounces. And I like how soft and squishy it is. I feel like this is a really pretty yarn for a baby blanket, which obviously that's what I love to make. It's considered number 4, but I feel like it might be a little bit on the lighter side, so like between a 3 lightweight and a number 4 worsted weight yarn. But again, I still really enjoy working with this yarn. It's very squishy, it's very soft, and when you put it in the washer, it actually comes out a lot softer. Over time, you might experience a little bit of fuzziness with this yarn, but that doesn't really bother me too much. My nephew uses the blanket that I made him pretty much every day when he's over by my parents' house. So I feel like I would definitely use this yarn for a variety of different projects. Not just baby blankets, but, you know, hats and scarves and other things like that. Even, I think I made even an adult sweater using this yarn. I feel like it's very durable. Okay, so the next one I picked up is this color that I've never used before, and I'm really excited to use, and it's called Light Country Blue. And I feel like if you want to compare the two a little bit, it's kind of like a color in between, you know, maybe like a dark color, so it's like a medium color. I don't know. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's a really pretty color. You can actually make a blanket using these 2 yarns, and I think it will be really pretty. But this is called Light Country Blue, and it's kind of like, I guess, like a grayish blue. Same amount of yards, 6 ounces, 315 yards, and again, it has that nice sheen to it. So that's what that color looks like. And I picked up 2 skeins of this color. This next color is more like a navy color, and it's called Dark Country Blue. And like I said, it looks kind of a navy to me. I don't know if that's how they would describe the color, but that's like Dark Country Blue. Next one I got is called Country Blue. It's a little, there you go, little cut off there, but it's Country Blue, so it's in between the Dark Country Blue and that Light Country Blue. So there's all 3 of those colors together. So I really like this color combination. Like I said, I'll show you all the colors together at the end, but I really liked how that blanket by Daisy Farm Crafts worked up, so I really felt like I needed to make that blanket a lot. So I plan on making that blanket after I finish this one that I'm currently working on. But this is a nice blue color. I really enjoy it a lot. Again, I can't really describe the color, maybe like a steel blue, but still very pretty. And the final color that I got is this burnt orange or dark orange color, and this is called Pumpkin. So that's what Pumpkin looks like. So the blanket involves a striping pattern of all these colors that I'm going to show you. So that's what the blanket involves, all these colors. So isn't that very pretty? So again, I'll link that pattern below just in case you're interested in checking it out as well. And hopefully you enjoy making that blanket just as I know I will enjoy making that blanket. So this is my yarn haul or yarn unboxing of all my Caron Simply Soft yarn from JoannFabrics.com. I highly recommend this yarn, and I can't wait to get started on a few projects with this yarn. So thank you so much for joining me today. Again, my name is Amanda, and I'm from AmandaCrochets.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me. And if there's any video or yarn unboxing that you would like to see, please let me know and I will try and get to that video for you. Alright, thanks everyone and stay safe. Bye.